How to use a consent form in Square. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to use a consent form into your Square account. So the process is going to be very easy and simple. We usually do the consent form for the appointments. So you need to have here a disclosure, for example, for certain policies, certain conditions, and certain things that you are going to have into your account on Square. So we are going to head over squareup.com, sign in for an account, and after we have been here, what we're going to do next is going to be very simple. We can go ahead and head over the left side of the screen and head over the appointments. And now from the appointments, you're going to head over the settings, click on communications, and we're going to find the something called forms. So we are going to add a new form and we are going to create a new template. So basically you can go ahead and have the consent, for example, form. We are going to have it as consent, for example, consent form like that. We are going to have it like this. So basically you can go ahead and set up the contract, the contract name, for example, consent form or contract. And you can go ahead and set up the description, for example, and then you're going to put the message. After that, you're going to click on next. You can add clauses, for example, add a custom field or add a new clause, for example, like that. You can set up the clause name, the title, or the description like that. Also, you can go ahead and generate a content, for example, consent form. We're going to have it as maybe length to 6 sentences, just like that. And you can go ahead and add them manually if you want. So like this. You can go ahead and use this. This is a consent form. You can click on save and here you go. So that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and I hope to see you soon on the next one.